There are multiple ways to give feedback to a member. The first is to give feedback from the locker. To easily access member lockers, use your company name at the top of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Members. This will bring you to the member search page. Search for the member you want to give feedback to. Click on the member's name. This will bring you to their locker. On the left side panel, click Manage Feedback and Reports. Scroll down to the Feedback section. Click Add. Once you enter a date, the feedback, and an optional instructor, click Save. Another way to provide your members with feedback is to use the drop-down menu and select Schedule. This will bring you to a default calendar view. You can use the Daily Overview button to view a list of all the day's activities. Click on Spots to bring up attendance. Once you mark the member as attended, you can click the Feedback button, type your custom feedback, and click Save. Another way to provide feedback using the Schedule view is to click on the program or product name, then select the people icon next to the activity. Once again, select the member as attended, click Feedback, and click Save. The final way to give feedback to a member is to use the Schedule page. Click on the day or the program, and then click the Daily Attendance button. This will bring up all attendance for that day's activities. Select the members in attendance and click Feedback to give your feedback to the member. Click Save.